Donna J. Jodhan presents Dining with Donna, a weekly podcast where Donna shares a delicious recipe with you, gives you a bonus recipe, and ends off her podcast with time-saving tips for your kitchen. Her recipes are easy to follow, easy to put together, and most yummy and delicious for family and friends. Donna's recipes are favorites for everyone. They are tried and approved, and she guarantees you'll be able to make them your favorite. It's time to cook and bake, and Donna is waiting to show you how.
Hey, it's Donna J. Jodhan, your host for the Dining with Donna podcast. It is January, week 2 of January, and I hope that everybody is doing very, very well. I want to thank everyone for coming in again to provide me with their thoughts, their suggestions, their feedback, and even their questions and their comments. Yes, indeed. So, I truly believe that the kitchen is where it is, where everything takes place, where the action is. I really, really believe that. And it's a great place to socialize, to share, to create, to do all kinds of things. Cook and bake and just chat with each other, relax, recharge, reformat, renew, everything like that, okay? So, this is what I believe in. And I think that it is so easy for us to cook and bake and to enjoy what we do. Okay? And I think that it is so special that we can find recipes that we can carry out in order to ingratiate our tables, our meal tables with these recipes. And I hope that my recipes are easy enough for you to cook them, bake them, enjoy them. All right. Want to thank my little brother Mike Chicello for continuing to produce my shows or my podcasts for me. And it is time for week 2. I'll just give you a summary of what we talked about for week 1. For week 1, we had Asian vegetables and ham. And the bonus recipe was cherry frozen salad, okay? And for the tips I gave you for the bathroom, how to clean shower stall film, and other bathtub and sink cleaners, okay? So, let's talk about some questions that I received. Someone wanted to know whether the main recipe was more suitable for lunch or dinner. I personally prefer it for dinner. Yeah, I do. I do prefer it for dinner. All right. And another question from someone asking me if, I said you could substitute chicken instead of ham. Could I substitute something else? And I said, yes, you could substitute something else, maybe pork or maybe beef. So it could be ham, it could be chicken, it could be pork, or it could be beef. Okay? And someone had a question about the cherry frozen salad. It makes quite a few cups of this salad. Could I increase the ingredients? And certainly you can, but you know what? I would stick with the amount of ingredients for this particular recipe because I don't like making things in huge batches. I like making them in small enough, manageable batches. So there are the questions for week 1 that I received from you. Okay. And so let's go on to the main recipe for week 2. Chicken Florentine in minutes. And again, the category for this month is one pot wonders. Okay. The implements that you would need, and I keep saying, you need to organize your implements on your kitchen countertops as well as your ingredients. And this really, really helps to keep things in check, manageable, and you will cut down on the length of time that you would spend making the recipe, because then you don't have to go hurrying and scurrying back and forth from your pantry cupboard or from your kitchen drawers. Okay? All right. Measuring cups, measuring spoons, 1 knife for cutting, 1 knife for chopping, 1 large saucepan, and my favorite paper towels. You always need these whenever you are in your kitchen to help clean up spills, wipe your hands, do all kinds of things, okay? So keep the paper towels on hand. And the ingredients: 3 cups of water, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 pasta packages, 4-ounce packages of 4 ounces of fettuccine alfredo or stroganoff mix. Okay? Stroganoff pasta mix. Okay? So 2 4-ounce packages of fettuccine alfredo or stroganoff pasta mix. Okay? Okay. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 10-ounce package of fully cooked chicken breast strips. Okay? And make sure that they are refrigerated. Make sure also that they are cut into 1/2 inch pieces. Okay? 4 cups of baby spinach, coarsely chopped. 1/4 cup of diced roasted pepper. 1/4 cup of sour cream. Okay, those are the ingredients that you're going to need. Bring your water, your milk, and your butter to a boil. Okay, so after you have assembled all of your ingredients, you bring your water, your milk, and your butter to a boil. In a large saucepan over medium heat. Okay? Stir in your black pepper and you stir in your pasta mix and your black pepper. Reduce your heat. Okay? Cook for 8 minutes or until your pasta is tender, and keep stirring occasionally. Stir in your chicken, your spinach, okay, and your roasted peppers. Then you cook for 2 minutes or until everything is heated through. Remove from the heat, stir in your sour cream, and this makes 4 servings. Again, if you would like a copy of this recipe, okay, chicken Florentine in minutes, all right, please send an email to me at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com or to my personal email address, which is donnajodhan@gmail.com. Put in the subject line January 2024 podcast week 2. Again, January 2024 podcast week 2. Put in the body of the email what you're looking for. So if you're looking for the main recipe, which is chicken Florentine in mince, put that. Or you can put the bonus recipe, which I'm going to give to you in a while. So you can either just put in the body of your email, I'd like to have the main recipe, I'd like to have the bonus recipe, or I'd like to have your tips, okay? So do that and we will send it along to you. Or if you want everything, just say, I would like everything. Okay? Right then. So let's go to the bonus recipe. Mountain Dew salad. And here we go. 1 large package of lemon gelatin, 1 2/3 cup of boiling water. Okay, very important. 1 cup of miniature marshmallows, 1 cup of Mountain Dew soda, 1 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple, drained. Make sure it is drained. 1 can of lemon pudding or pie filling. Okay? 1 can lemon pudding or pie filling. Okay? Lemon, that is. 1 12-ounce tub of whipped cream, of whipped topping, frozen whipped topping, but you need to thaw it. Mix your gelatin in boiling water with your marshmallows until it is all dissolved. Add your Mountain Dew and your drained pineapple. Chill until set. Mix your pudding and whipped topping. Spread this on top of your gelatin when it is set. And there you go. Mountain Dew salad. All right. Again, if you'd like a copy of this recipe, do not hesitate to send me your email at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com or my personal email, donnajodhan@gmail.com. Put in the subject line January 2024 podcast, week 2, and put in the body of your email what you would like me to send to you. The main recipe, or the bonus recipe, or the tip, which I'm going to give you now, okay? All right. Let's go to my tip. And here we go. For the bathroom, other bathtub and sink cleaners. Believe it or not, lighter fluid would always remove your stains. It will remove the most stubborn dark stains. Lighter fluid. And if your bathtub has yellowed, okay, here's what you do. Rub with the solution of salt and turpentine to remove your stains, okay? This will restore the whiteness. And here is another tip for you. How do you deal with a grimy shower mat? Clean your shower mat dipped in a solution of kerosene and warm water. So make a solution of kerosene and warm water, okay? And use a small brush. So there you have it, folks, for this week. My Dining with Donna show. Hope you enjoyed it. Keep your comments, your thoughts, and your questions coming to me at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com or to my personal email address, which is donnajodhan@gmail.com. DonnaJodhan@gmail.com. Thank you everyone for tuning in. We will be back next week with another Dining with Donna show. Have a great rest of the day, great rest of the week. Enjoy your time, and we'll see you for my next podcast next week. Take care and bye for now.
That's it for this week. Donna hopes that you enjoyed her recipes and that you will take a few minutes to try them out. Stay safe and stay well. Send your thoughts and feedback to Donna at askdonnaonblindlife@gmail.com.